Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once the menu opens, you can use the up or down buttons to scroll through the menu. Find the option called the System, select it, and then press the Start/Stop. And here you should see the language option. Make sure it's selected, press the Start/Stop button, and now you should see the list of languages. Find the language you like to use on your watch. Make sure it's selected. For example, let's select something like Deutsch. Then press the Start/Stop button to confirm. And now the language should be changed. So if we open the menu, as you can see, the language is changed. We can also change the language via the phone app if our watch is paired with a phone. So we can bring our phone right here and open the GARMIN Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the GARMIN Connect application, tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, select your Forerunner from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down, tap on the General, find the language option, select it, and here we have the list of languages we can select. Select the language you like to use. For example, I'm gonna select the English, then go back to the device page. Okay, and once you're on the device page, it should say that the settings were saved, the changes were saved, and now we need to sync our watch with our phone for the settings to apply. So we can tap on this button right here, like that, to force the sync, and let's wait until the devices are done syncing. And once they're done syncing, you should see the changes. So if we open the menu, but it didn't change, let me check the application again. Language, it changed to okay, this time it's saved. Let's change it back to English, like this, and now it's syncing. So for some reason it didn't want to save the settings, but this time it should work. Okay, now let's check. And as you can see, now it's working. So basically, it has to say, you should see the message at the bottom that the changes were saved, and the watch should start syncing with your phone. Then the settings should be applied. So something went wrong at the first time, but as you can see, after second try, it worked. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.